Appreciate the apology.
To appreciate this moment?
Appreciate. Appreciate.
យើងប្រើពាក្យនេះដើម្បីមានន័យថាយល់ឬដឹងថាអ្វីមួយមានសារៈសំខាន់ឬតម្លៃហើយឲ្យតម្លៃវាឧទាហរណ៍
No matter how hard you try to please her, she will never appreciate your efforts at all. No matter how hard you try to please her, she will never appreciate your efforts at all.
មានន័យថាមិនថាអ្នកខំប្រឹងតម្រូវចិត្តនាងខ្លាំងយ៉ាងណាក៏ដោយក៏នាងនឹងមិនដែលយល់ឬដឹងពីសារៈសំខាន់ឬតម្លៃនៃការខិតខំប្រឹងប្រែងរបស់អ្នកឡើយយើងក៏អាចប្រើពាក្យនេះដើម្បីអរគុណនរណាម្នាក់ឬដើម្បីបង្ហាញការដឹងគុណរបស់យើងទៅកាន់គេដូច្នេះវាមានន័យដូចឃ្លា Thank you ដែរឧទាហរណ៍
I really appreciate your help with my phone problems. I really appreciate your help with my phone problems.
មានន័យថាខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណចំពោះការជួយរបស់អ្នកជាមួយបញ្ហាទូរស័ព្ទរបស់ខ្ញុំ
I appreciate.
We really appreciate this. We really appreciate it.
We appreciate it.
Appreciate your cooperation.
What's to appreciate?
They'll appreciate me.
I appreciate your loyalty.
Appreciate your service.
I appreciate your motives.
Oh, I appreciate that. I appreciate
Appreciate it.
And I appreciate you.
I appreciate your situation, but you must appreciate mine.
She should appreciate every moment.
He thought she'd appreciate.
I appreciate your understanding. I appreciate the concern.
I appreciate the loyalty you have for your